पूछना है?
Yes, sir.
No,
Okay.
sir. Thank you. Yeah.
ओके जी, भावना जी.
Sir, I am the next participant.
Now we
Okay,
call upon the next
Inderjeet.
contestant, CA Inderjeet Kaur Bamrah ji.
I hope my screen is visible.
Yeah.
Yes, go ahead, ma'am.
Okay. So, very good afternoon to everyone. Myself, C. Inderjeet Kaur Bamrah, and I'm very grateful to the AI committee for this semi-finals for season 4, and I'm presenting my use case in today's semi-finals that consists of credit analysis report tool. So whenever any organization or any firm wants to take credit loan, working capital loan facility, they approach the bank, and bank needs some credit ratings based on the analysis report. So existingly, what we are do we but we were doing, we were copy pasting from the financial statements in the formats of P&L and balance sheets, and then I have created a Excel based formula based sheets which includes all the ratios that is relating to the credit analysis. And then uh, based on that, we were just creating the this credit analysis report, just showing you all. This was, we were doing the manually part. This is F2 relating to operating system, all the items relating to profit and loss, and F3 is relating to all the balance sheet
Inderjeet
analysis.
ji, your screen is not visible, I think.
Okay, just 1 second. I hope it is visible now. So this is the how we were doing manually.
No, you shared it and then you also again unshared it. Yeah, now visible.
So this is how I was doing manually in F2. We were just copy pasting all these items from the respective audited financial statements, and then this is the formula based connected to the F2 and F3 sheet, that the credit analysis report. And what I have done now, I have created a solution based of AI and RPA. So which includes two tools. For one is for the extracting financial statement data, and one is for the creating the credit analysis report. So I'm just demonstrating my tools. So this is the one, this is the annual report extraction. So what I was doing copy pasting of the data from the annual statements in the F2 and F3. Now I'm just dragging it the financial reports from my input files, these 3 year annual reports, and this tool will just do all the work for me. I will show the workflow how it is working, and then it will send, this tool will send the files to the concerned email ID. Because this is AI based output, so we need to just verify whether the outputs are correct or not, and then in manually we also get it verified from the our client or organization, also from the management. So you will be able to see this tool, and I'm just opening it. So these are 3 files, just opening it with Google Sheets. Then we just have to download these files to check it or verify it. Then we will move to the next tool, that is credit analysis report. Just I have to select these files after checking whether it is fine or not. So these 3 files I'm just selecting, and I have just uploaded these files and getting it to run. So within minute you will be able to see all the data from the F2 and F3 are auto populated to this credit analysis report template. And I have put the dashboard part also in this report, and I'm also able to export table to Excel and even this HTML snapshot. Then I will move to the workflow part. So this the financial report. This is the main and very complex workflow. So I'm using webhook to placing the PDFs, and then I have used Gemini 2.5 Pro to extracting and reading this data based on the templates, and then we have put some placeholders where this which text have to we have to choose from the financial statements into the from the respective P&L from the balance sheet and the notes. And I have bifurcated the notes into two notes because the notes are very in detailed and very complex. Then we just merged these all set notes, and then classified all the balance sheet items into these six notes: current liabilities, term liabilities, net worth, current assets, current liabilities, and the balance sheet additional notes. Then again we have set the this set notes and merged it, and I have done the same for the P&L things. Apart from the P&L expenses, I have used GPT 5 mini and given the prompt, but I have to find it, and I have to put it in the JSON. And then I have merged all these balance sheet form 3 and form 2, and then this I have created a template for that. I'm just showing it, where I have put the placeholders. So in this workflow, you will be able to see these placeholders. The merged thing have extracted all the points, and then uh, copied all the items text extracted into these placeholders using the HTTP request. Then this file gets this Google Sheet is saved in my Google Drive. Then the email has been sent to the concerned email ID. And then we have edited and we have verified the our form 3 and form 2 items. And after that I have created this another tool, credit analysis report tool, where this is a RPA based. I haven't used this any AI model because this part include required only formula based things. So this is the workflow thing which I have used. And um, if I go to the technology used for the backend and workflow, I have used Na10. And in Na10 I have used Gemini 2.5 Pro and Chat GPT for the respective parts. And for the front end, I have used HTML. So this all things I have done using this for this use case, the credit analysis report. So I'm done with my demonstration and presentation. So I'm open for the questions.
Inderjeet, if I change the year, whether your placeholders will be modified accordingly, because right now it is 23, 24, 25. Next year it
So
will
if
be
I
24,
uploaded,
25.
yeah. If I uploaded 5 or 6 files together, so we will be able to extract in the same respective year.
No. Means I'm saying if there is, if I'm not giving a 23 data, so automatically it will change.
So if I'm not giving 23 data, that will be blank one. If I'm
Okay,
giving
it will be blank. So it
24
will not
data,
change the year one. It will be blank.
yeah.
Okay. Okay. And for the credit analysis, it's all formula based.
Yes.
There is no AI involved.
No.
AI is involved only for the extraction part.
Yes.
Okay.
And what is ChatGPT you have used, na? ChatGPT API also.
Yes.
What is
For ChatGPT 5, I have used when the PDFs have extracted read the data, and we are just classified the balance sheet items into current liabilities items. We have a template here, so I'm just sharing my screen again. And I have given the prompt in the ChatGPT to extract the respective items, and when we are talking about this credit analysis, so there are different n number of lines whose financial statements line items are named as different. For example, for trade receivables, we are also using debtors. So ChatGPT is doing, we have given the synonyms that for trade receivables, if in any case, in any financial statement, if it is named as debtors, if it is named as another name, so you just extract it to the same thing. That is a mapping kind of thing. So this for this I have used this ChatGPT. So I have given the prompt here, the mapping definitions, and where we have to put this in the JSON.
So is there
And
anything like if it is not able to match, is it showing some any exception report or something like that? Or
No,
otherwise, in some other case, if the name is different and the category is mismatched, so the entire calculation gets wrong that way.
it will not extract that item if there is some mismatch in the thing that we are not able to find out the trade receivable is written as different kind of name which is not available in the synonyms I have provided in the ChatGPT. So it will not show any item in the that column, and that's why we have put it human intervention here when we are sending it to Gmail, that you just verify which items are correct or which items are missed according to you.
I think one thing to do there, just a suggestion in case, and I would like Gandhi sir to please uh, express what I am telling, is it correct or not? That it gets the number of items, and then there is a mapping that okay, these number of items extracted and then map.
Yeah,
The rest is good.
thank you.
yeah. And can you generate a log of the missing items then?
Yes, we can add this feature in
That's what I
the
was saying, sir. There
Yeah,
can
yeah,
be
yeah.
the number of extracted and mapped, and then remaining items can be logged.
yes, yes.
And also, like, does it verify whether the balance sheet tallies or it's just putting
No,
up the numbers?
this ChatGPT 5, it is verifying the items.
Can
No,
you
I'm like,
show the input and the output both? Whatever you uploaded now and what the output you got on the email, can you show us that input and output both?
Yeah, one just second. This is the 2023 item annual financial statement. So
Okay, so it's the annual report. Okay.
so
And
and the
how,
then the, yeah.
how much tokens did it took to process all these three? Because every model has its own limit of tokens. So was it able to read all three files properly, or there was some lag?
It is able to read all the files. Even for the demonstration, I have used only 3 files. We can use because for the provisional we are using the CMA data. We use the CMA data, so we can upload 6 to 7 files also.
And the output also, if you can show.
For 6 to 7 files.
No, the output
Yeah.
output.
email
Only
that
one
you
file will
received.
be
You
there.
see the extraction
23.
part. Okay, as
Yeah.
for 2023, if I for the financial statement, we can match with the service sales.
And like whether it is matching on the year named column or on the column first or column second, the logic. Because there are 2 years in the balance sheet, you are extracting only 1 year.
So I have just asked for the respective year. For example, for the 31st March 2023. So it will only took that data.
Okay.
I think you renamed the file because in 23 it is of
No,
22.
it is extracting for the 31st March 2023 data. 1 second.
This is 24 file.
Yeah.
Annual
No,
report.
but if you see the latest year, that is 23, I think. In the last file also 23 was mentioned, but 22 was the latest year. So that's a simple renaming issue. That's not a big problem.
Yeah.
But can we just verify it?
Yeah. 1 second.
Yeah, this was a like this was the question in the beginning.
Yeah. Just a second.
No, सेल्स आप देख लीजिए ना, रेवेन्यू या सेल्स सर्च कर लीजिए.
जी.
वैसे भी OCR होगा तो फिर कंट्रोल F में आएगा नहीं. आ गया.
So this is the standalone part 51580.36 revenue from operations. Okay, and five one 580.36.
Okay. So
I
great. Thank.
Yeah.
Any other question, Ashish ji, Vishal ji?
You were
No,
asking-
I'm just
you were
concerned
asking-
with the year part. That's all. The year part is
Hmm.
not getting extracted properly.
I think Akhil, you were asking relating to the number of tokens being used by the model.
I think she is using 5 now.
Yeah, five for only one PNL item because that requires lot of analysis, and for rest of others I have used 5 mini.
You are using N10 paid tool, I suppose.
Yes, using Hostinger.
Okay.
It is hosted on some cloud.
Yeah, Hostinger. Okay.
Right. Rishi ji,
Yeah.
can we have the next participant?
Yes, sir.